Mutongoi wa Azimio wa Kenya Raila Odinga ayasya ngwatanio Nikwatene na nikuendeea kuukitia ayasya mweenenthi ayasya kana mauvoo kuma kwa nyumba imwe ya mauvoo kana be myalika ngwatanioni ni mauvungu. Raila Odinga ayasya ngwatanio ni ndumu na kithito kyayo nikiendee cha kuthukuma kuikiithya wailu kwa mweenenthi ayasya kwithiwa na ivathukan'yo kwa amwe atongoi ngwatanio kwonan'ya kana be myalika ngano ben musaunu Kuthela.
Dongo ya Azimio wa Kenya Raila Odinga ni aweta vaina mwane kwa ngwatanioni ya Azimio na ngwatanio ino nikuendeea na kuukitia kisya enenthi na vala wavuthisya ndeto sya ithangu imwe ya mauvoo va Kenya ya kana vena mwane kwa ngwatanioni ino.
I want to dispel any rumor that's being spread by irresponsible media that there is no danger in Azimio collapsing anytime soon. I really want our media to be responsible. You don't want media to spread unnecessary and irresponsible propaganda.
Odinga anena ndeto ithika vindani kala vikite kauntini ya Lamu kuvingwa mulati wake uo na vala watu la mote nyumba sya unyaicha wa mauvoo kwa kila kuweta tasithitwe inyaicha mauvoo kuweta kuvuvwana katikati wa ati ngwatanio ino.
Nobody has left Azimio. Azimio has remained intact except a few members of parliament who decided to take a walk. But the leadership of Azimio is intact. There is no dissension. There is no disagreement anywhere in Azimio. And that's why we actually are taken aback to see a banner headline in a very senior media in the country. We want to say this is irresponsible journalism that must be discarded. We don't want the media to try to spread despondency among the members of Azimio.
Oingi Raila ni wathingilela utongoi wa ngwatanio ino wiva mwe atio ivathukan'yo kimawoni katikati wa ndongo ithi ti kuweta vena mwaniko ngwatanioni.
We have stood very firm. Azimio is on a course of liberation of this country. Azimio, there may be sometimes disagreement of opinion on one issue or the other, but that itself does not mean in any way disintegration. So I want to inform all our members, wherever they are, across the country. Azimio iko imara. Azimio is remaining united, and Azimio will not break up anytime soon. We are on a course to liberate this country from the tyranny and the responsibility.
Vilingi wa mauvoo Mutongoi TV, nyenita wa Ben Mosau.